Hey everybody, today I have a short, relaxing, rainy day yoga sequence to follow along to. So we're going to start in easy pose, and with an inhale, we're going to raise our arms. With an exhale, we're going to put our right arm on the ground and bring our left arm over our head and look upwards. Now inhale to the middle, and exhale, take it to the other side. Inhale, back to the middle. Exhale, place your left arm on your right knee and right arm behind you and twist. Inhale, back to the middle, and then take it to the other side. So right arm on left knee. Inhale, take it back to the middle and interlace your hands behind your back. And exhale, bend that back and pull those shoulders. Inhale, back up to the middle, and now exhale down in front of you. Just enjoy this, extend that lower back. Breathe into the stretch. Now we'll rise up, turn to the top of our mat, and come into our first downward dog. Now from here, we'll slowly walk to the top of our mat, come into a halfway lift with an inhale, and then exhale to forward fold. With another inhale, swoop those hands up and arrive in mountain. Bring the hands to the chest. Now with an exhale, we're going to wiggle those fingers back down into a forward fold. We're going to step our left foot back into a low lunge. So leave that left knee on the ground, left foot on the ground, and inhale, bring the arms up and out in front of you, kind of like a screen. Then we're going to connect the palms, tilt backwards, and just hold. Now cycle those hands down, curl that left foot under, and step back into plank. We'll come into Chaturanga, or knees, chest, chin, Chaturanga. Then inhale into upward facing dog. Then curl the feet under and exhale, push with the hands and leave with the hips into downward facing dog. From here, we're going to lift our left leg, bring it forward, step it in between our hands, and rest our right knee and right foot on the ground. And then inhale, and bring the hands in front of you like a screen. Now we'll connect the palms and lean back here. Now bring those hands down, back to the mat. Curl that back right foot under. Step back into plank, knees, chest, chin, Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And then exhale into downward facing dog. From here, we'll just walk to the top of our mat. Inhale into halfway lift. Exhale into forward fold. And then inhale all the way back up to mountain. And exhale, bring the hands to heart. Inhale here once. And then on our next exhale, we're going to fold forward once again. Inhale, halfway lift. Then exhale and step it back into plank. From here, we'll go into Chaturanga. Inhale into upward facing dog and exhale into downward facing dog. From here, we're going to raise our right leg into three-legged dog. Step it forward in between our hands. Tilt our left foot so it's pointing towards the long edge of our mat. And rise up into warrior one. So square those hips towards the front of your mat. Just hold. Now cycle those hands down, maybe wiggle the fingertips. Step back into plank and Chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale to downward facing dog. Now we'll do the other side. Lift that left leg up, three-legged dog, bring it forward between your hands. Tilt the right foot towards the long edge of the mat and rise up into Warrior One. Square those hips. Make sure your knee is not over your ankle. And bring it down. Again, plank Chaturanga. Exhale. Inhale, upward facing dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. From here, we're going to walk to the top of our mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. And then inhale all the way up to mountain. And exhale, hands to heart. Good job. Rain it back down, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. And then inhale all the way back up to mountain. Tilt backwards here, get a little back bend, and exhale, bring it back down to a forward fold. Step both feet back into plank. From here, we're going to go into side plank, so stack the feet or rest on the sides of them, and extend that left arm up to the sky. Really engage the core. Rain it back down, swap sides, reach up to the sky with the right arm. Exhale, bring it into plank, and then back into downward facing dog. From here, we're going to walk to the top of our mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, we're going to split our legs to the side, so feet facing the long side of our mat. And then hinge from the hips. Another exhale, down into a wide-legged forward fold. From here, we're going to rest our left knee and shin on the ground. Reach up with our left arm and extend the right leg and have our right arm on our right leg. Into gate pose here. Rain back down, swap sides. Left leg extending. Left arm on the left leg and reach up with that right arm. Exhale, bring it back down. Bring those legs in. Again, go into a wide-legged forward fold, and we're going to lean towards our right foot here, so getting a nice side stretch. Then, other side, lean towards the left foot. Bring it back to the top of your mat. Step forward, inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Step back into tabletop here, and we're going to do a few cat-cow into down dog flows. So we're going to go into the cow position with an inhale, and then on the exhale to cat, we're going to push up into downward facing dog. Inhale, cow position. Exhale, cat, and downward facing dog. One more time. Inhale, cow position, and exhale, cat back, and downward facing dog. Good job. From here, we'll walk to the top of our mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, back to mountain. Bring the hands up. Rain the fingertips down again with a wiggle. And we're going to sit down. Come to the center of your mat. Raise those legs for boat pose. So engage the core here. Keep your balance. Maybe play around with the full boat position by extending the legs or remain in the half boat here. Bring those legs down. We'll come into staff position. Maybe lean further, grab your toes. Make sure that lower back keeps elongated and you're hinging from the hips here. Now come back back to the center of your mat. And again, we'll do the easy pose flow. So inhale, arms reach up to the sky. Exhale, right arm on the mat, left arm comes up and over. And inhale, back to center. Exhale, take it to the other side. Inhale, back to center again. Exhale, left arm on right leg, right arm behind you. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, right arm on left knee, left arm behind you. Keep that back nice and straight. Inhale, back to center. Interlace the fingers behind your back. And exhale, arch backwards. And inhale, bring the arms up. And exhale, lean forward, bring them in front of you. And that pretty much brings us to the end of today's practice. I hope it relaxed you as much as it did me. Thanks for watching. Namaste.